mangurap, abuso ng kapangyarihan, sila po ang na-empower ulit ngayon para mangurap. Yung mga hindi nila magawa noon, biglang nagawa na naman nila ngayon. Yung example po dyan, yung I was talking to, kanina before we came in, ina-analyze ko ano nangyari. Sabi ko, ba't ba nagkaganito tong bansa natin nung pumasok si BBM? Samantalang, nung pumasok siya, him and Sara had practically, 1/3 of the Philippines supported them. Kasi kalahati lang ng Pilipino bumoto, 60 million sa 110 million. 32 nakuha nila. And with that overwhelming support, si BBM could have really took the Philippines to another level that he could have invited so easily new investments and new development for our country para pumasok ang namumuhunan to at yung mga nandito na mamuhunan pa para magkaroon ng trabaho ang tao dito sa ating bansa. But instead of doing that, ang ginawa niya, yung pondo ng gobyerno